Good morning guys, this is me Divagaran. Welcome to my channel Divos Maths. Today we will study one problem that is from determinants. Using properties of determinants, prove that determinant equal to ABC to 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. This determinant you have to prove this way. So this is a very important problem for board exam. Now you listen here. Let me write delta first. 1 by A plus 1 1 1 1 plus B 1 1 1 1 plus C. I have named this one determinant as delta. Let delta equal to this LHS part. Now, from it, see the RHS side, you have to get ABC outside. For this problem, you listen ABC outside. So, you study that from a row, if you take a common factor outside, the value of determinant will not change. For example, if you are finding 10, 30, 1, 2. What is the value of this determinant? 2 into 10, 20. 20 minus 1 into 30, 30. 20 minus 30, negative 10. Now I am taking 10 outside from this determinant. 10 if I take outside, it becomes 10 into this will become 1. 10 into 3 is 30. Here 1, 2. Now 10 into 2 into 1, 2 minus 3, negative 1. Negative 1 into 10, it becomes negative 10. So from a determinant, if you take from one row, if you take a common factor outside, the value of determinant will not change. So already you know that property. So for this problem, listen here, from R1 I am taking A outside, and from R2 I am taking B outside, and from R3 I am taking C outside. So take A, B, C outside from R1, R2, R3 respectively. So A, B, C I have taken outside. So 1 will become, here only 1 is up. From 1 if I take A outside, it become 1 by A. And A will become 1. So it become 1 by A plus 1. From 1 if you take A outside, it will become 1 by A. And from here also 1 by A. So from R1 I have taken A outside. Similarly, from R2 what I should take? From R2 I have taken B outside. So 1 by B plus 1, and this is 1 by B. Similarly, from R3 I should take a C outside. So it becomes like this way. So A, B, C into this. Now you listen this problem. When you add R1, R2 and R3, 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Here also 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Here also 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. That also you studied. When you change one row of a determinant as R1, you can change it as R1 plus R2 plus R3. You can add multiple of other rows with one row. That you studied. That is a property of determinant. The value of determinant will not change. So I am changing R1 as R1 plus R2 plus R3. So let me write this one. R1 change into R1 plus R2 plus R3. So it comes R1 complete, only R1, R2 and R3 we are not changing. R1 1 by A plus 1 plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Look. Similarly R2 change. R1 completely changed. Now R2 is not changing. R3 also not changing. Only R1 we are changing. Now when you are considering R1, you can see that 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C is a common term. You can take outside that one. So I have taken this one outside. 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C outside. A, B, C into this. That is delta. So if you take from this term completely outside, there will be only 1. Here also 1. Here also 1. And the other terms are as usual. I have written here. Now you listen. If we are getting like this way, completely in R1, 1, the problem becomes much easier because you can change this one to 0 and this one to 0 by subtracting from C2, this column. From C2, if you subtract C1, you will get 1, 0. And C3 you can change as C3 minus C1. That you can subtract one column from the other column. That is, listen here. C2 I have changed as C2 minus C1 and C3 I have changed as C3 minus C1. So it becomes C1. These terms are as usual. I have written here. Next is into determinant. This determinant. C1 we are not changing. Only C2 we are changing. What is C2 change? C2 minus C1. So 1 minus 1, 0. This 1 minus 1 by B what? It comes only 1 there. 1 by C minus 1 by C, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. This 1 by B minus 1 by B, 0. 1 by C plus 1 minus 1 by C, it comes 1. So only C2 and C3 I change. C2 minus C1 and C3 changed as C3 minus C1. At a time I have changed like this way. So I got the answer like this way. Now one element, you look at here, from these two elements become 0. R1, two elements 0 means the value this determinant has changed as 1 into only this minor, because other terms are 0. Is very easy to find. So this one will come, if delta is equal to ABC into this, into 1 into this minor, that is 1001. What is the value of this determinant? 1 into 1 minus 0 into 0. Determinant of identity matrix is 1. So 1001. What is the value? 1 minus 0, it is 1. So 1 into this one comes ABC into 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. And it's proved. So in this particular problem, you have to think what is that? Listen the RHS and then do it. First, you have to take ABC outside. A, comma B, comma C from R1, R2, R3 respectively. Then think about how you will get this one. That is, if you add R1, R2, R3 respectively, you are getting these terms. So you can change R1 as R1 plus R2 plus R3. You can change it. And then you will get the answer easily. So I think all of you understood the problem clearly. Thank you.